Flying your drone into winter can give you breathtaking footage like this. During my winter flights, I have however discovered a shocking truth, confirmed to be true by the experts.
It's colder than in the summer. Who would have thought that? And these things here are your hands, or were before frostbite turned them into a frozen sausages. And the bad thing is that when your
10, full 10.
fingers go numb, so goes your control. It's not pleasant to fly a drone when your fingers are like bleh. It can even destroy your drone because you don't have any control over your fingers. They are just like shaky icicles and you might crash. These magical devices are designed to keep your fingers warm and you can control your drone better than without wearing gloves. Revolutionary? I know. But not all gloves are created equal. So I wanted to talk a little bit about what I'm using. I don't think the brand matters that much, but there are some things you would like to have on your drone flying gloves. These ones are from a brand called The Heat Company. They have little flames here on the knuckles, flames on the grippy thing on the inside, so you can grab and grip things. I have been using them for about 1 year right now. I'm not sponsored by The Heat Company. I got them as a present from my girlfriend. Thank you. And they have kept me warm during our flights in Norway, in Finland, and ever when it gets a little bit colder, never mind the location where you are in. These gloves are of course good for drone pilots because they are touchscreen compatible. You can control the drone and display with the gloves on. These are the liner gloves, and if it gets way colder you can put these little mittens on top. So a little bit tight, but here we go. So now you have double gloves and you can cover all the fingers. There's like mitten and you can flip them around. This is a little bit fiddly. I don't really like that there's a Velcro over there and then you can just flip the thumb to the freedom. So now you can have a little bit more warmth. If that's not enough, you can stick here on the pouch on the side, you can stick a warming pad, a little nuclear reactor to keep your hands warm for half an hour or so. I haven't used them personally yet because I think they are warm enough. And there's a little loops. You can just pull them mittens. During the 1 year of use, the grip has come loose here and there. Doesn't matter that much. And I have been using them a lot. These are my daily driver gloves when I'm out and about. What comes to the touchscreen use, if you can see the forefinger, it has twisted a little bit. So the pad for touchscreen use, it's a bit... So sometimes it's easier just to take the gloves off and freeze for a little bit. But I kind of have a little bit cold hands. I like to wear gloves whenever it's possible. However, there is one thing you can't do with the gloves on, and that's changing the propellers of DJI Mini 3 Pro. Don't even try that. The next time you are heading out flying in winter, don't forget to take the gloves with you. They will save you from frostbites, make the general flying experience much more enjoyable. What's also gonna make your winter drone flight enjoyable is watching this video right here.